The corrugated packaging industry is continually facing new challenges from customers who demand higher quality products and more intricate die cuts with minimal lead times. Box makers worldwide have come to rely on soft anvil rotary die cutting to meet these customer demands and maximize productivity. With a soft anvil system, the key to maintaining required quality is a consistent urethane cutting surface. Furthermore, the key to maximizing productivity is to minimize die cutter downtime. A consistent urethane cutting surface is necessary to achieve clean, scrap-free die cuts, quality scores, dimensional consistency, and maximum blanket longevity. Two of the primary ways to keep a consistent cutting surface are to use minimal die impression depth and to rotate frequently. Time-saver rotary die blankets from CUE Incorporated are the box maker's best choice to realize these goals. Time-saver's design starts with a solid steel backing that ensures a precise fit and dimensional stability throughout the life of the blanket. Next, a solid steel hold-down angle and an exclusive solid steel lock bar are welded to the metal backing. Highest quality urethane is then form-molded and precision ground and trimmed for precise dimensional accuracy. Time-saver's solid steel lock bar fills the die cutter keyway with metal, providing a consistent cutting surface for the entire circumference of the cylinder. The operator can then use minimal die impression depth for clean cuts, one of the primary ways of maximizing product quality and blanket longevity. This differs from blankets made with a urethane latch design that can produce a soft spot over the keyway, allowing scrap hang-up. Die cutter operators are then required to increase the impression depth of the cutting dies to overcome the soft spot. Time-saver's solid steel lock bar eliminates this potential problem. The Time-saver was designed to minimize machine downtime during blanket rotations. This is a real-time demonstration of dual-width Time-savers being rotated on a 66 by 80-inch rotary die cutter. With the use of CUE's exclusive pry bar tool, removal is almost effortless. Notice how the pry bar pries only on the steel lock bar, causing absolutely no damage to the blanket. Frequent blanket rotations are a must to keep a consistent cutting surface. Unfortunately, blanket rotations equate to costly die cutter downtime, and many box makers simply cannot afford to stop and rotate the blankets often enough. Product quality and blanket longevity then become compromised. Time-saver's many unique design features help box makers avoid this compromise by promoting the industry's fastest blanket rotations with no costly system modifications. The dual-width blanket design is a CUE exclusive. Dual-width Time-savers are twice as wide as standard blankets. They feature all of the exclusive Time-saver design features, including the solid steel lock bar. Dual-width Time-savers promote even cleaner die cutting by eliminating half of the seams across the cylinder. They also allow for the fastest installation and rotation. No die cutter modifications are needed to use dual-width Time-savers. Time-saver's design allows operators to rotate blankets much more frequently, possibly even every shift, extending blanket life tremendously, therefore reducing costs. Perhaps the most significant benefit is that frequent rotations allow for the best quality products to be produced. Time-saver's lock bar promotes extremely fast blanket installation. A few quick hits with a dead blow mallet lock the Time-saver firmly into place without relying on the cutting die to complete the lock. As an added bonus, Time-saver blankets are reversible and can be mounted in either rotation direction. The full rotation of dual-width Time-saver blankets has been finished in under 2.5 minutes on an unmodified die cutter. Welcome to CUE Incorporated, whose long history includes manufacturing the world's first urethane rotary die blanket. Today we have grown into one of the largest urethane product manufacturing companies in the United States. Our ultra-modern manufacturing facility is located in Cranberry Township, Pennsylvania. It features state-of-the-art processing equipment and a laboratory where the quality of both raw materials and finished product is monitored. To provide unmatched service for our corrugated product customers, CUE carries a large inventory of blankets that is ready for immediate shipment anywhere in the world. Time-saver blanket production, inventory, and customer order status information are readily available via computer to our sales department. When combined with our global network of stocking time-saver distributors, box makers worldwide have an ally in CUE. We have demonstrated how time-saver blankets from CUE Incorporated can help box makers meet the challenge of today's competitive corrugated industry. By eliminating the keyway soft spot, reducing the number of seams across the cylinder, and drastically reducing rotation time, time-saver rotary die blankets provide the most consistent cutting surface available. By maintaining this consistent cutting surface, highest quality products are produced while die cutter downtime, order lead time, and expenses are minimized. Contact CUE to find your nearest distributor and let Time Saver's design advantages work for you.